Hello, fellow Gunpla builders. It is time for the last working progress video for the Nightingale. This is MC's SD Nightingale. Right now we're going to be doing the arms and the shoulders and the back as well. I detailed some parts ahead of time because of the fact there's just so many parts, extra parts, like the thrusters and everything, and it'd be just kind of silly to do it all on camera all at once. So, but I'm going to get the arms done, the shoulders, which is this part right here, and the back right here. This is actually all the parts that make up both things. And then we have the shield that I already put together. And then at the end, and then at the review, which would be next week, actually this thing will also be all deckled up and everything like that. So without further ado, let's get down to building this. that pretty much is the shoulders, the arms, and the back skirt all put together, all detailed, all done. Looking really nice. With all the extra details and everything. This looks like a face. It's just weird to me how I colored it. It just looks like a face. So, but nice overall, like, you know, the silver detailing that I did underneath and everything. And here's the arms. You got elbow movement right there. I might modify the shield to be closer to the arm to make it look nicer. You got a wrist swivel, and then you got an extra hand and everything. You got a gun for the other arm with a separate hand, and another hand like that. And then we have an outstretched hand. So, check in next week for the final review of this kit, and it's all put together and all deckled up and everything. So, until next time, guys, keep building and keep playing.